आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवात 84 देशातले 7500 प्रतिनिधी वाटेकार जातले। द ब्लू ट्रेल या सिनेमान चित्रपट महोत्सवाचे उक्तावण जातले। सिनेमा सृष्टीत फाटली 50 वर्सां वावर केल्ल्या खातीर रजनीकांत आणि बालकृष्ण हांचो भोवमान करतले। तशेंच बायल दिग्दर्शकांचे 50 सिनेमा हे फावट प्रदर्शित जातले, अशें केंद्रीय म्हायती आनी प्रसारण राज्य मंत्री मुरुगन हांणी सांगले। ह्या चित्रपट महोत्सवात गोयचो क्लॉडिया आणि द पायलट हे सिनेमा प्रदर्शित जातले म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान सांगले।
Almost, I am very happy to announce this. More than 7,500 delegates are registered from various countries. Almost 127 country they are registered, but 84 country the people are going to participate here. In this 84 countries, 270 films are going to screen here in our Goa International Film Festival. This is the first time in international level this festival. Almost 84 country participants are coming here to enhance the International Film Festival of Goa. Apart from that, friends, for the opening film, the Blue Trail, a Brazilian movie, is going to an opening movie. After this opening movie, this year the country is focus country is for the Japan is the country for focus, as well as the country of Spain and Australia is also they are participating here in this, and also the eminent filmmakers and film producers, directors and celebrities, they are also going to participate here. And this festival is going to tribute the 4 legendaries for the centenary year. One Mr. Gurudutt ji, Raj Khosla ji, Ritvik Ghatak ji, and Bhanumati and Bhuban Hasaria. They are all going to honor in this. They are contributed in the cinema industry. For that, we are going to honor them. And apart from this, in the conclude session, Mr. Rajinikanth's 50 year and Balakrishna's 50 year the contribution to the cinema. Balakrishna from Andhra Pradesh Telugu industry, and Rajinikanth, you are all aware, from Tamil industry. They are all the 50-year contribution. That also we are going to honor and honor them.
This year, the 2 Goan movies will be screened in the IFFI 2025 under the various section of IFFI. It is in Claudia, the special screening section of IFFI, and The Pilot, the Gala premiere section of IFFI. The Pilot is also getting the screen at the Western Bazaar, Film Bazaar of IFFI. In the Goan section, which is curated by the state, ESG received total 17 entries in both the section, out of which the 5 films were selected by the jury members.